Gold against US dollar has risen in value yesterday, reaching 2450.58, the resistance level. After the price has formed a bullish breakout 2 days ago, we can see that on the chart, but above 2390.94, the price continued to rise in value, and we can see after this bullish breakout the price continued to rise to the next resistance level, which is a supply zone around 2450.58. Now we can see that this day has started with a wick on the upper side, trying the price rising on the upper side of this supply zone, but then the price retraced back down and is currently heading right down, where the next support is around this level, which is 2421.98, and then after that the second one will be around 2415 around this price level. So these are the support levels that I'm expecting today, that the price will retrace back down, and then we will see, will the price bounce back up, continuing this bullish momentum, or the price will make a bearish breakout below these support levels and then continue to fall down even more, reaching the third one, which is around 2410, and then a demand zone around this support level 2390.94. Now, from the previous week analysis, if you can watch that on a Saturday, the previous week, you can see that this was expected that the price could retrace back up after the price makes a bullish breakout above 2390.94, where the next levels would be around these levels right here. The price has reached those levels and continue to rise in value. Now for the next day, we'll see tomorrow what happens, but during the day I have a Telegram group with the traders where I share the details on intraday analysis, where I share the details when the price makes a bullish or bearish breakout, for example like this example, where it was expected after the price makes a breakout above 2413.58, this is here, and then the price will reach this resistance level, and if the price makes a bullish breakout above this one, it will reach the next resistance level, which is this supply zone right here, 2450.58. This will be on the 4-hour time frame and on the 1-hour time frame where it is visible. Also today I have shared with the details with the traders what is expected after the price makes a bearish breakout or bullish breakout, but this is something that I share inside the Telegram group with the traders. If you would like to check, the link will be below in the description so you can check on yourself. This is all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.